Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Bree, and today I have a Buttons Galore and More unboxing for our design team. So I chose more Halloween stuff so that way I can show you guys some more of the Halloween things that they carry. I am really excited because they have, again, some more new stuff. So I really want to show you guys so that way you guys can go ahead and pick some stuff up. I do have a $10 referral link down below, so all you have to do is click that referral link and you could save $10 on your order. It automatically adds the $10 to your cart, so when you are ready to check out, you'll see that it has already taken out the 10 bucks. It is free to use, so if you guys would like to use it, I will have it linked down below for you guys. But okay, let me go ahead and just grab everything out here. I have not seen the product yet, so I always like to keep it in the box until I'm ready to record. So first thing that I have here are some buttons, and these are the glitter buttons, and they're called Spellbound. And it looks like this, and I love that their packaging even has a little pumpkin, and this has green, orange, purple, and black glittered buttons. And on the back they're just plain colored, like solid, so you can use either the sprinkled the glittered side or the solid colored side, but of course who wouldn't like a little bit of glitter without the mess. So I got a pack of these, and again those are called Spellbound, and then I did pick up a couple of the pack sequins. So this one right here is called Night, and it's literally just a bunch of black colored sequins. And there are some stars and like little flower shaped ones. There's little mini ones right here. I don't know if you guys can see. There's some mini sequins, some larger ones, and I just think this is like the perfect mix to add to a project if you need some black in there. And I've never picked this one up before, so seeing it in person, it's a really nice black mix. And then I've shared this one already, but I loved it so much I picked up another one, and it's called Witch's Brew. And so if you guys missed my last unboxing, I did pick this one up before, but I told you guys how much I loved it, and when I made my boo card for them, which is this one, I actually used this mix right here, and I just love how it turned out. So I had to grab another one because it was just so pretty. So I got that one. And another one of these blush. I always share this one. Like I said, they've changed the way the mix is. So these ones are all like transparent sequins. So just wanted to let you guys know that that is how it looks now. Still really pretty, but they're iridescent clear pink sequins. And that one's called Blush. This one is called Lilac, and it's just a bunch of purple. This one also has flowers in there, so if you don't want them in your Halloween projects, you know, you can kind of pick them out. They are a little small though, so I don't think it really would matter, but I did get this set for the purple, and I just think it's so pretty. I love seeing these in person because sometimes when you see things on the website, it's usually you're kind of questionable about it, but I promise you guys, once you get it in your hands, you guys don't get disappointed. Alright, and then they did send me a little thank you. They sent me little fishies. These are buttons. So thank you for those. And then I did buy a 3-pack of the candy corns since I didn't pick these up before. I picked up a bunch of buttons if you guys want to see from my last haul. I will have a playlist link down below for you guys, but I picked these up and they are matte. And I thought I'd pick up a 3-pack just to check them out, and I thought those were really nice. And then some of their half pearls I picked up. I got the peach, which is this one right here. There are 2 different colors in here, I think. Yeah. The Serenity. This one's really pretty too. I don't really pick up the half pearls, but lately I've just been loving their mixes and their sets, so I had to grab a couple more. So again, this one's Serenity. And then I also grabbed Weeping Willow, which is like a green and mint set. This one does have some mint in there, and they all have that iridescent shine. So picked up those 3 from the half pearls section. And then again, of course, I had to pick up another one of these mix-ups, you guys. It's called Spellbound, just like the buttons, but it's just this mix of Halloween goodness. So if y'all want to pick one up, I highly recommend picking it up because it's so pretty. This mix-ups is one of their newer items too, so they do come out with a bunch of different mix-ups. And right now they have some really cute Halloween and Christmas ones. So I've hauled those as well if you guys would like to see them. And then some of their new sprinklets for like fall and Halloween is this one right here called Just Pumpkins. So this one literally is just pumpkins. Perfect for fall stuff. And you can't go wrong with having a full pack of one image. I just think it's so awesome to have that. So I did grab that pack. And then I grabbed this one called Nightmare, and it comes with jack-o'-lanterns, a cauldron, a vampire, a witch's hat, and then some sprinkles, like clay sprinkles. Is that not the cutest sprinklet set? So again, this one's called Nightmare. And then this one right here was one of my favorites. I actually picked up quite a bit of these ones because I plan on using these on a lot of things. This one is called Ghostly Greeting, and again, they're sprinklets. I don't know if you guys can see. But you guys can see there's like little ghosts, there's the tombstone, some sprinkles, there's a couple of leaves in there. And then the little bats are black, so these are like mini bats. This one's called Ghostly Greeting. I love it. Okay, and then the last things that I picked up multiples of each color because I thought these were so cool. These are brand new and they're called Pops. Pops with a Z. So if you notice, like sprinklets ends with a Z, pearls ends with a Z. So these are Pops, and I picked up the purple, orange, the 3 different kinds of pinks that they had, and then a blue, like teal color. So let me show you guys this one. This one is called Galaxy, and it's purple. So if you guys remember, when I showed you guys the mix-ups, I was showing you guys that they had these little balls inside. They came out with, like I was saying, I wanted something where it had the balls by itself. They came out with Pops. So Pops literally has some of the jewels inside, and then some of the little dots, or not dots, sorry. It has some of those little balls in there. Well, a lot of them, as you guys can see. So many, and so you get a mix of the jewels and the little ball confettis, plastic ball confetti. So again, this one right here is called Galaxy. And then I got an orange one, which is called Tiger Lily. Is that not the cutest name? Tiger Lily. Such a cute orange set. Of course, I had to get it for Halloween. So I grabbed those. And these are about like almost $4. But like I said, when you guys get them and you see them, it's definitely worth it. Okay, and then the blue one that I got, these are like a turquoise color. It's called Bermuda. And it looks like this. Like, how pretty and bright is that color? So it's like a turquoise color. It is so pretty. I keep saying that, but I love seeing their new stuff, and like these right here have definitely got me in love. So got those, and then I got 2 of these called Pink Ladies, and these are like a hot pink set right here. So there's this one right here, that's again pink. This one right here is called Pink Sorbet, and I'll put the 3 next to each other so you guys can kind of see the difference between the 3 in case you guys are looking for either a lighter, a darker, or like a mid. And then I picked up, of course, like an extra one of the lighter pink, which is called Pink Sands. This one's like a ballerina pink. So again, this one's Pink Sands, this one is Pink Sorbet, and this one is Pink Ladies. So here's how the 3 look next to each other. So there's that. And then that is it for today's pickups. The last one had a bunch of buttons. This time around, I picked up a lot of the new sprinklets and the pops because I saw that they had these and I was like, I am going to have to grab the ones that I know I'm going to use. There it is, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the products that I picked up, and I hope you guys can grab some for yourself. Again, if you guys would like to save $10, I will make sure to have the referral link down below for you guys, so that way you can use it. But I hope that you guys had a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this. If you guys have any questions about the product, leave them down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can. Ooh. But I hope that you guys, again, have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.